Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Secure Trust Bank Review My Usage Experience. Secure Trust Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to assess and compare various banking services provided by Secure Trust Bank. It's aimed at potential and existing customers looking to understand the bank's offerings and gauge customer satisfaction. Key features likely include customer reviews, ratings, and perhaps comparison tools against other banks. Their website provides details on specific products and services. Secure Trust Bank, judging by their name and likely offerings, positions itself as a reliable and trustworthy financial institution. Their website emphasizes security and customer satisfaction. Ease of use is a key aspect judging by the apparent focus on customer reviews and comparison. Pricing transparency is likely a feature. Availability is nationwide, though specific details would need to be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Secure Trust Bank Review My Usage Experience. I was researching a new bank account and stumbled upon this platform. Getting started was incredibly easy. The website is cleanly designed and straightforward. Navigating the interface was a breeze. I quickly found reviews related to specific products like checking accounts and savings accounts. I particularly appreciated the way they aggregated reviews, making it easy to identify common trends and issues. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and the search function worked flawlessly. I had a quick question about the data's age and their support responded within 2 days via email, which I thought was pretty good. I was really impressed by how detailed the individual reviews were, providing insight into the actual customer experiences. One minor drawback was the lack of filtering options beyond basic keywords. A more refined filtering system would be beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Secure Trust Bank Review My Usage Experience. It helped me make an informed decision about my banking needs. That's my overview of Secure Trust Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.